Don't try this at home.
Squeaky sand.
Sing a little song that goes a little bit like this.
Alright, so we've made our way back to the coast. We're in MALLACOOTA. This place is absolutely beautiful. But we've come down for a drive today and we're trying to find a secret beach. We've heard very good things about this. Apparently there's some really cool caves here, so let's go have a look.
Alright, so this beach is actually legitimately called Secret Beach. We're not making that up. And we've heard some secretive things down here, so we're not going to disclose that just yet. But there's a killer little bush track down here. Sarah's going to crank a heel clicker for us. There we go. Oh, she almost ate shit. Anyway, we're cruising today. It's a bit of an overcast one, but when you rock up to the beach and there's no one here, you bloody celebrate because, yeah, it is school holidays. And MALLACOOTA is beautiful, but because it is so beautiful, everyone wants to come here. So to get it by yourself is rare as. So check this environment out. Check the habitat, mint. I can hear the sound of the ocean, which is a phenomenal sound in the morning. It's almost like coffee for me. It wakes me up. So let's check it out. I think today is going to be a little bit onshore, and apparently there's waves in MALLACOOTA, but we're yet to see where they surf. That's one thing about being on the road full time, is you're always out of your comfort zone. You never know where the good fishing and surf spots are, but check this out.
Woo. Oh, it's a bit more seaweedy today than it was yesterday.
Secret beach.
It's like Esperance sand, squeaky sand. Yesterday when we came here, the tide was obviously out. We thought, oh, we'll come back early in the morning so there's no one here and we can film it with no one around. But obviously we didn't think about the tides, and the cave is completely full of water.
That was the secret part, in there.
Yesterday we were able to like literally stand up and walk through that little opening there. So we're gonna have to come back later when the tide's out.
Alright, I'm gonna go show you the cave. Don't try this at home. I've lived my whole life around the ocean, so I'm comfortable to do this, but it's probably not the smartest thing to do. Got some waves pushing in, and then that's the cave in there. It's pretty sick, it's worth showing you. I'm definitely not gonna die, so I know that for a fact. Just navigate these slippery rocks. And we've timed it nicely. How cool is this? So, there's a massive cabin in here. I don't know if you can see all this, but there's a few little waves pushing in here. Got the navigator. How cool is that? That's why I think they call it Secret Beach. I'm gonna get out of here because there's a little set coming. I can hear it coming. Oh. That was sick. Little adrenaline rush for the morning. That'll wake you up better than a coffee. There's a little bit of swell running today. I don't know if you can see that. Probably wouldn't be too bad for a surf. And I reckon there's some fish around here. When we drove through town, that many people have boats. So normally when a town's like that, it's good fishing.
From here, this didn't really go to plan, but anyway, we're going to head out to Gypsy Point, and I think Genoa Peak is in there somewhere, and we might go for a little hike, but who knows?
We're not very fit people, so hiking's on the top of our list.
It's
but
only a K&a-half, but it is up a peak, so it'll be a hike.
Why didn't you come in the cave with me?
Too scared. try and give back to you guys and do little giveaways so that you guys get a little thank you for supporting us. So this week we're going to give away one of our t-shirts that we got made up. So if you want a Sarah and Keelan Travels t-shirt, make sure you keep watching. The code word will appear down the bottom of the screen at any point in the
video. Yep. So comment that down below, use it in a sentence, so then not everyone knows the code word. It'll make your chances of winning even more. That's a little hack from me. Yeah, can't wait to give away a few bits and pieces, but you have to be subscribed too, guys. It's not going to go to anyone that's not subscribed, so make sure you do that. So we're on our way out to Gypsy Point, and we've just pulled over to get some info, and Sarah has found something very alarming.
Planned aerial shooting operations targeting deer, Geelong National Park. But it's only in October, March and April, so we're alright.
Does that mean that they're shooting deer from helicopters, planes? I don't know. Are they bombing them? Who knows?
Shooting from the plane, surely. Or a helicopter.
A helicopter. Freaking hell, that's insane. Why don't they just bloody get some farm boys out there with a few rifles? That's what. That'd be a lot cheaper. But yeah, we're gonna head out to Gypsy Point now. We have no idea where we're going, and we're probably gonna get ourselves lost.
So we've just rolled into Gypsy Point. Really shows that we don't do much research, because we thought we would be on a four-wheel drive or like a dirt road to get into here, but it's just a bitumen road. But this place is incredibly peaceful. If you're looking to get away from like the hustle and bustle of MALLACOOTA, definitely recommend coming down here. It's just magic, like beautiful.
This feels a bit funny. Sarah's at the helm of the cockpit. Oh, that doesn't actually sound that good.
Look how close I have to sit next to the wheel compared to you.
So we've decided to do something a bit more adventurous, and we're out on this gravel road heading up to a spot called...
bloody van just come flying up behind me.
Really?
He's honking.
Yeah, so we're...
I might have to put the foot on the accelerator.
You'd burn him off pretty easy with Big Leroy. But we're heading out to a spot called Genoa Peak, and this one's a small hike, so only about 1.5 k's return, so that's more our speed. We are not seasoned hikers, so we're going to check this one out. Apparently it is the thing to do in Genoa, and it's on MALLACOOTA's list too. So yeah, we've got a van tailing us. It could be the FBI. Let's have a look. Looks very suspicious. That could definitely be the feds. Have you done anything wrong lately? Have we committed any fraud? Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, let us know in the comments the word. They say it in the movies when they know they're getting followed. Anyway, we've spotted him, and he's gone in front of us now because he's trying to act cool, because he knows that we've made him, and we know he's FBI.
He's gone.
He's gone. No, he's probably in the bushes now. He's probably definitely checking us out. We better pay our taxes or something, because they're tracking us.
We're definitely paying our taxes.
Actually, this is actually a kind of sad memento today, because this is our last Victorian adventure.
Oh my god, we're going to New South Wales, finally.
Yeah, so we've been in Victoria for a long time, and don't get us wrong, we bloody love the joint. It cops a hard flack for the weather, but we've had some really good weather and some also really bad weather, but we've loved Victoria.
It's so beautiful. It's like nothing we've ever seen. Like, Victoria is honestly so beautiful.
Yeah, and if we were in a different setup, say we like bought a swag, which we are going to do, we could leave the caravan and go do some of the harder tracks, which is definitely on our list to do. But yeah, we're heading into
definitely a lot of small campsites around here.
Yeah, and it's real bushy too. So anyway, we're heading to New South Wales, new territory for us. So we're pretty pumped about that, actually. Pretty excited. I wonder if we're allowed to take fruit and veg over the border. I'm not too sure about that.
Oh, it's only 15 minutes away, surely.
We're going to be eating a lot of tomatoes, because it's against my religion to throw out good food. So we'll be sitting at the border just smashing tomatoes.
The bloody van.
Oh, what? Has he turned off? Oh no, he's still there.
I picked up to 40.
The old high ace is giving Leroy a run for his money. Anyway, let's go check this peak out. Hopefully it's not too hard. Beautiful habitat today. Plenty of photosynthesis is happening. Nah, it's a brown snake or something.
No, it's black, so I reckon it's a tiger maybe.
Nah.
No, those red belly black snakes there, they're really dangerous.
Oh, are they?
What's going on?
I'm 50 metres in, I've already got stone in my shoe.
Bloody hell. There's a snake in my boot.
And a story I'll tell.
Gee, I know why I got invited. Look at just a pack horse. Carry all the stuff. Not too much photosynthesis is happening today. Oh, Jimmy, you feel that, mate? Feel a bit of that photosynthesis. The sun's not out, but killer spot. It's already getting steep. It's only 1,500 meters, but it's bloody steep. See how we go? I'm already puffing. I was trying to hide that, but you guys have already probably picked up that I'm puffing.
Really met in the springtime. Sunset.
Am
So
I touching it?
No, you're way off.
Am I holding it?
Two star-crossed lovers. And they're still.
So you guys have probably been wondering where we're staying and where the caravan is. We're staying at Genoa Wayside Stop. Oh my god, I'm so unfit. You're gonna have to stop for this. It is a council camp, so it's a donation camp, so $10 a night, whatever you want to pay. Yeah, cold showers, toilets.
I really want to see a wombat or a deer. They're two on my list.
But it's very busy there, so we haven't really filmed. It's just, yeah, we're not really the type to film when there's heaps of people. It's just
Not our
awkward.
vibe, yeah, but it is a sick stop, so put that one on your list because it is quiet and
Grassy, shade.
yeah, and it's
Beautiful.
donations, so that's sick.
And the day turned to night.
Alright, so we're cruising now. Cruising for a bruising. It's pretty steep, but you can see the effects that bushfires have on the remote parts of Australia. Not that we're too remote right now, but it is extremely hilly, and you can see the devastation. Like,
How amazing the regrowth is, the regeneration.
Yeah.
Revegetation, regeneration.
I think that's the word, but a lot of these Australian native plants actually need the heat to drop seeds pretty well. Without the bushfires, it wouldn't happen, and like Sarah said, there's this amazing regrowth, and yeah, that's a massive silver lining. Obviously a not so silver lining is a lot of animals would have died. A lot of threat to stock, bloody agriculture is insane. You can hear us puffing. Can't get in here other way. It's got to be from the air. There's no way you'd come into a bushfire in here. And because it is so hilly, the fires move quicker up and down hills. So it's just a massive prop to our fire department across Australia. I have to deal with some of the harshest fires in the world and the harshest environments too, but massive respect to them, but also to the traditional owners of the land. They would have been lighting this place on fire a long time before us, trying to get them seeds to drop, and also for hunting methods. But they would have been, what's that?
It's like this story's gone on for a while.
It's pretty cool to think that traditional owners would have been out here, you know, in this harsh environment well before there was helicopters and drones and even shoes, you know, so it's pretty insane. Very rugged. It's a what?
A world biosphere. It's home to 50 of our mammals and over 1,000 of our native plant species.
Well, there you go. Bloody hell, this hike's never ending. It's not 1,500 meters, I call bullshit on that.
Hillside, saw two mounds of clay. I'll always remember.
I think we're about 100 meters away. Can't wait to get to the top. Cue the song, We Are the Champions. I think we've almost made it. I think this is the last staircase to the top.
you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life?
So we've made it to the top of Genoa Peak. It is absolutely amazing up here. It's full of bloody flies and butterflies though. Over there, that's MALLACOOTA, so somewhere around there. That's where we were yesterday, but you can see literally everything. It's so incredible. And we just met a local family and they were telling us about the fires that went through. It was really cool to get some local knowledge. But yeah, to hear what happened, it's honestly devastating, but also to see this wildlife coming back and like the natural vegetation, it's really, really incredible. But
There's definitely silver linings in every situation in life, that's for sure. So how sick is this? It's insane to be up here.
Yeah.
And to have it by yourself too is another level as well.
Yeah,
So
it's really nice.
think
It is a hard 1.5 k's though, so bring a water bottle and do that.
It's not 1.5 return, it's 1.5 each way, so remember that. And there's butterflies mating up here too. A few of the butterflies are pregnant and you can see their like sacs on them, so yeah, it's pretty cool to see. They look like they're fighting, but I'm pretty sure they're mating. Hey?
Butterflies, they grow in a cocoon, not in...
Oh, what? Scrap that. That's what Sarah just informed me, that they grow in cocoons.
Honestly, anytime you're watching this video, our videos, it is purely entertainment. Do not take any facts.
Take everything with a pinch of salt. I love making shit up. It's fun. What's life if it's not fun? But anyway, we're enjoying it up here. It's insane. Check it out. All right, time to go back, grab the caravan and shoot off to New South Wales. But like Sarah just said, I think we've deserved some KFC now after that. We've definitely worked up an absolute appetite. And KFC is on our highest list. Too bad there's none around, but anyway, this is how I sort of pass the time when I'm doing a hike. I sing a little song that goes a little bit like this. Ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ee, ee. Ha, ooh, 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 ha, ooh, ooh, ooh. I want some KFC in my poo. Big shout out to the Victorians. Thanks for having us in your state. Also, don't forget to comment the code word down below to win that free shirt. Subscribe, like, and if you're looking for another wicked adventure, this is one of our favourite ones to date. See you next Friday, guys. Someone call Barry and tell him that I'm living.
Crazy.